Are you living in an older, dated home and you're in desperate need for a refresh, but you don't have the budget for an entire renovation? Today, I have some easy, practical ways that are budget friendly to help you kind of elevate your space and give it a nice upgrade without having to spend a ton of money on a full renovation. Number 1. Swap out dated light fixtures. This is going to make a huge difference. Typically in older homes, either didn't have a lot of overhead fixed lighting or it was like the old traditional kind of like dome or boob light. Just by swapping those out for a more modern flush or semi-flush mount will make a huge difference. If your ceiling height allows for it, especially in entryways, a nice lantern I think looks really elevated. And then opting for chandeliers or more substantial fixtures in the kitchen and dining room, I think are a great way to add statement pieces and pretty inexpensively elevate your space. Number 2, paint. I always say don't underestimate the power of paint. I have completely changed the look of entire spaces with a gallon or two of paint. You can truly paint most things, and if you don't mind putting a little bit of elbow grease in, it can be really transformative without spending hardly any money. Number 3, change your doors, especially if you have an older home where the doors are hollow or don't have any inset paneling or interest. Just by painting them a solid color or swapping them out altogether for a new door will make a huge difference. Number 4, replace your baseboards or trim for something a little bit more substantial. Just by creating that taller trim look makes a huge difference in your space. If you don't want to do that project or it's not in your budget, you can create the illusion of a taller baseboard by adding a smaller trim piece above and then painting that negative space. It's not the same as real trim, but to the naked eye, it does give the illusion of a more substantial trim. Number 5. Get rid of the carpet. I'm not a carpet person personally. I tend to get a little bit of allergies, and having animals, they tend to harbor a lot of bacteria and allergens. So if you are up for the project, I would say ditch the carpet. Hopefully, if you live in an older dated home, there's hardwood underneath. That would be amazing. But sometimes you don't know what you're getting into until you kind of start into that project. So you could be opening up a can of worms. But ditching the carpet is a great way to update your space. Number 6. Replace outlet and switch covers. This is such an easy way to create a completely different look on your walls, especially if you have that older yellowy beige color plate. Swapping it out for a new white or even just painting what you have a white color will definitely give your walls a refreshed look. Number 7. New faucets. If it's in your budget, just swapping out your kitchen faucet and your bathroom faucets will make a huge impact on your design and overall aesthetic. Number 8. Adding wainscoting or wall moldings or other kind of wall treatments just to kind of enhance the wall's character. If you're lucky enough to already have some of that character in your home, I would try to accentuate it and kind of highlight those beautiful pieces. Number 9. Swap the cabinet hardware. Just by swapping out your kitchen hardware or other cabinetry hardware will transform the whole look of your cabinet. And there's so many options from not only different colors, but different finishes and different sheens. And you can have a lot of fun with this, trying to tie it into your personal design style. Number 10. If you have existing window treatments, whether it's old vertical blinds or old blinds in general that are original to the home, I would definitely ditch those and modernize those with either new blinds or Roman shades and curtains. And definitely think of layering your window treatments. It creates a much more elevated look. So adding not only your main blinds, but then adding curtains as well, instead of doing just one or the other. The biggest thing in trying to renovate your home without doing an actual remodel is being okay with that it's going to take time. You're gonna be able to chip away at this slowly over time. I would focus on your biggest eyesores and your biggest concerns first, and then work your way down the line. But give yourself some grace and have fun with it. Take your time. At the end of the day, you want this space to be a place that you love to be in. Putting a little bit of elbow grease and love into your home will always pay off in the end. I hope you found some value and tips and tricks from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.